Let's discuss LeetCode Problem 9, Palindrome Number, Java solution. But before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the posts page in my channel. Please take a look. I will appreciate it. Now back to the problem. This is a easy problem. Given a number like 121, you need to tell whether it is a palindrome or not. In this case, it is, because if it is 121 and reversed, it is also 121. A negative number is not a palindrome because it results in 121 minus, which doesn't make any sense. And a trailing zeros is not a palindrome as well, because for trailing zeros to become a palindrome, which becomes a leading, you need to have leading zeros, which does not make any sense for numbers. So let's take a look at the Java solution. So this is the input parameter x. So those two conditions we talked about, trailing zeros and negative numbers, is taken care of by this if block. If x percentage 10 is equals to 0 and x is not equals to 0, then you return false. 0 is a palindrome, so that's why you need to add this one. So int reversed equals to 0, that's how you start. So the strategy here is you go to till the midpoint and then compare the first half and the second half. But also you need to take the nuances of the number can have even digits and odd digits. So you keep reversing. Once you cross the midpoint, that's when the reversed becomes greater than x. X is the original number. So as and when you keep taking off the digits from the right for x and then keep adding them to the reversed, that's when once you cross the midpoint, this condition is no longer true, and then you come out. And then here this have to take this case for, we will see in the example, for in the case of odd numbers this is true, and in the case of in the case of even numbers this is true, and in the case of odd numbers this is true. So let us take the first case of even numbers, 1 2 2 1. Reversed half is 1, and the x becomes 122 because you divided it by 10, and then it becomes 12, and then 12. So this is not equals, so you just break this loop. 12 is not greater than 12, and then you compare x and reversed, and this condition 12 equals to 12 makes it true. And in the case of negative 1 to 1, basically this case returns false. And in the case of 10, this case x percentage equals 0 and x equals to 10, so you return false from here. And in the case of 1 2 3 2 1, the reverse of first is 1, and then it is 1232, and then it becomes 12, and then 123, and then the reverse half becomes 123 and becomes 12. So we cross the midpoint, and then so the reverse becomes greater than the original number. Now you compare, the return true is because 12, and then 123 divided by 10 is also 12. So this condition makes it true. That's it. Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.